guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a SHEIN haul. I have a really good mix of pieces, casual, some dressy, really good Valentine's Day outfit inspo, and they're all going to be head to toe looks from SHEIN. I also have a code for you guys. It's Jennifer Lynn 155. That's going to get you an additional 15% off, and a special thank you to SHEIN for sponsoring today's video. If you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get on with the haul. I'm going to switch things up today and start off with shoes. So I picked up these boots. They're Western style. They have that pointed toe, really good embroidered detailing through the front and then all the way up the leg. They have that scoop at the top, they're pull-on with the tab, and then a really good chunky heel in the back. These are $52 sizes, 5.5 to 10, and I did get my usual size. They're very true to size. They also come in black, brown, pink, and this is the solid white. But I think this is the perfect year-round boot. You can wear them now with your leggings, skinny jeans, dresses. In the summer, throw them on with your shorts. So I really love these. I also picked up a few headbands. So the first one is almost all pearls. It's an off-white color, has the metal band at the bottom. Really nice and stretchy. This one's $1.50. It also comes in pink. The next one I picked up is a velvet band with a multicolored gemstone. I feel like this is going to go with so many things. This one is $4. It's a thicker band, really nice and stretchy. And I do have a bigger head, so I really am obsessed with this one. And then the last one I picked up is this pearled knotted front headband. So this one is a lot thicker than the other two. So what it looks like on the inside. Has that finished end. It's like a khaki beige color with all of those pearls, and this one is $2. If you watch my Target shop with me, then you know I've been obsessed with a similar pair of leggings. So these have that high waistband. They're really nice, thick, and stretchy. There's also an elastic waistband at the top. The inside has this silky kind of stretchy material, and there's a sheen running through it. So they're similar to faux leather leggings, a little bit different. These don't look like they're going to like wash off if you look up close. And that's what the ankle looks like. Has that same kind of high-waisted fit in the back. And these are only $10, extra small to 4X. I did size up 1 to a large just because using the size guide I'll match it up to my waist and hip, and that's how I'll determine what size I'm going to get. So if you like the way they look on me, then I would say size up 1. If you want them to be a little more fitted, then get your usual size. But for $10, you really can't beat it. The ones in Target are $18. So I think that's such a great deal. And then I paired it with this wrap style striped sweater. So this one has that open front. It's a little bit of a ribbing. Has a drop sleeve, ribbed wrist. It is more of a shorter fit, but not cropped. And then to tie it, you're going to take the one side and then tie it on that side like that. You could probably go all the way around once if you want it to be really nice and fitted. And then there's that ribbed bottom with that same relaxed fit through the back. So these were $24. They're now on sale for $11.24. Sizes small to large. I did get my usual size medium. I would say it is true to size. Just like a nice kind of relaxed, comfortable fit. If you want it to be a little more oversized, you could size up. If you want it to be a little cropped and fitted, then you could size down. But I just think this one is going to be so fun to dress up or down. I also had my eye on the Spanx velvet leggings, but even with the sale price, I still think they're just too pricey. So I decided to pick up these velvety blue leggings. They have that elastic waistband. That's what they look like on the inside. So nice, silky, stretchy. It's fitted through the ankle, and then the same through the back. These are $9. Sizes extra small to extra large. I did get my usual size medium. They're very true to size. I think these are so fun to style. You can pair them with just like a nice chunky sweater, knee boot, be a little casual. You can really dress it up with a blazer, a sequin top, really good heels and jewelry. So I think for under 10, you really can't beat it. Paired it with this pearled wrap sweater that I shared, I think last year, but every time I wear this sweater, I get so many compliments. It's Right now it's not available, but I have seen it pop up or similar styles. It has that pearl detail on the shoulder, ribbed wrist. It is a true wrap style with the belt, and then it's that same kind of relaxed fit through the back. To get my usual size medium, very true to size. If you've watched my Shein hauls before, you know I love their two-piece sets. You really can't go wrong. So I loved this knit set. Has this oversized collar. When it's unzipped, you can zip it up and have it mock neck. There's a drop sleeve, and then it's a ribbed wrist. It's really nice and relaxed. It's not too thick of a sweater material. It's relaxed with the body, really good length, so you do have coverage, and the same through the back. Pants have an elastic waistband. They are high-waisted, that same kind of lightweight sweater material, and they're wide through the bottom, and then also through the back. The two pieces are $37, sizes small to 3XL. I did get my usual size medium. It's very true to size. I love this set. Together you can dress it up, do good shoes, jewelry, good to go. You can also throw on your slippers, just be cute and cozy at home. You can wear the sweater with jeans, with the leggings that I shared, and kind of be casual. And then you can just throw on a little tank, maybe a duster cardigan, and just lounge at home with the pants. So I just think this is such a fun, really on-trend set. I know similar pieces go for hundreds of dollars, so you really can't beat it. The next top I picked up is so stunning. It's from their Ellie Baser line. So how pretty is this? It's mock neck with this chiffon bow. You can make it as big or small as you want. Little puff sleeve detail. And then that's what the wrist looks like. So it has that scallop trim. It's going to be really nice and fitted. It's a relaxed fit through the body. Really good length with that same kind of scallop trim. The back has these really pretty pearled buttons and the keyhole. And it's the same kind of relaxed fit. Just really nice and flowy and super feminine. This top is only $19. I don't know how it's so stunning, really unique and pretty. It's extra small to large. I did get my usual size medium. It's very true to size. I think this is one of those tops you can throw it on with denim, do a girls' night, go out to dinner. You can throw it on with your dressiest, like slacks or blazer, a little suit set. Pencil skirt is gonna look so pretty. So I really love this one. And then I paired it with cropped black flared pants. This is from their motif line. I've shared them in a previous haul. They're super comfortable and stretchy. I got my usual size medium. There's a seam running down. So perfect year-round black pant. My shoes I shared in a previous Shein haul. They're a mule style with a pearled bow. Another really good Valentine's Day option, or if you have any dressier events coming up, or even for date night. This is a jumpsuit, so it has thin straps. They are adjustable, wrap front, and then there is a mesh lining on the inside if you wanted to go braless. There's seam detailing under the bust with that band, and then it's a super flowy wide leg. So how pretty is this one? The back has a zipper. It's a nice, thinner, kind of stretchy satin material, so there is some stretch to it. It's not too thick. It's not going to be uncomfortable or hold you in. And then it's that same kind of wide leg through the back. So these are $22, extra small to extra large. I did get my usual size medium. It is true to size. I just think this one is so stunning. It's just one of those pieces. You throw it on, you're good to go. And then I paired it with a fur trimmed wrap that I shared in a previous Shein haul, just for an easy winter look. Little black heels, clutch, and the next thing I picked up is this little cardigan set. So this one has that Argyle kind of cable knit, ribbing around the neckline. There's oversized tortoise buttons, drop sleeve, and then that's what the wrist looks like. It is more of an oversized, relaxed fit with the ribbed bottom, and then that same design going through the back. The cami underneath is thick straps, squared neckline, that cable knit running through the front, a little bit of ribbing at the bottom, and then that same kind of fit through the back. So the two pieces are $28, sizes small to large. I did get my usual medium. It's very true to size. It also comes in brown, beige, and white. So I just love these little sets. They're so easy. You could pair it with a slack. You could do a skirt. You could do denim. I paired it with the Apperloth They're coated down. They're really nice, high-waisted, super stretchy. There's pockets fitted through the leg. That's what the ankle looks like. And then really good pockets on the back. These I did size up to a large. So if you like the way they look on me, I would say size up. I feel like I should have got my usual medium in these, but they're so nice. They also come in like a bronze color. And then you guys know I love their sweat set. So this one is a crop style. It's super soft fleece on the inside. Ribbed wrist. It's like the cutest cut with the hood in the back. There is a drawstring and ribbing at the bottom. The sweatpants have an elastic waistband, drawstring pockets. Such a nice cut. It's like more of a feminine, high-waisted fit with the smaller ankle, and then that's what the fleece looks like on the inside. And no pockets on the back. So the two pieces are $30, sizes extra small to large, and I did get my usual size medium. I think if you want the top to be a little longer, a little less cropped, more relaxed, you could size up. There's so many colors, so I also have this one in the white, and I really love it. My kids have been taking the sweatshirt though, so that's the only thing I don't love about it, because I don't get to wear as much as I'd like. But it also comes in green, pink, orange, blue, gray, and navy. So these sets are so nice for the price, definitely my go-to. And I had to pick up one of these feathered pajama sets. So how pretty are these? Has that rounded collar, it's full button down, the silkiest, softest material with feather trim on the wrist. It's a relaxed, oversized fit through the body, really good length, and then it's the same through the back. The pants have an elastic waistband, really nice and stretchy with that same feather trim. The two pieces are $27 in the pink. Size is extra small to extra large. I did get my usual size medium. They are true to size, a little more relaxed fitting, so if you want the top to be a little shorter, you could size down. Just a nice, comfortable fit. Comes in a burgundy, there's also a brown, there's teal and navy blue, and this is the pink. So how stunning is this? I think it's a cute little Valentine's Day stay-at-home outfit. Anytime I see this feathers on Instagram, I immediately fall in love with whoever is wearing it, whatever photo, and I have to like it. And then I also picked up from Ely Bazar this adorable like hologram. It's an iridescent puffer. So this one is a little on the cropped end or a little shorter. It has that mock neck, super quilted, has the elastic on the wrist, completely lined on the inside. The quality on this one is so nice. How unique and pretty is this one with the same kind of fit through the back. So this one's 42, extra small to large. I did get my usual size medium. It is a little bit more on the smaller end because it is cropped. So if you want it to be a little more relaxed, oversized, you could size up. But right now it only comes in this white color. I think I saw similar styles in a pink, which I loved too, but I already picked up a pink puffer. So I didn't want two of them, but how pretty is this one? I'm so, so excited. So that is it for today's haul. Thank you so much for watching. I'll have everything linked down below, including my code JenniferLynn155 for an additional 15% off. Again, thank you SHEIN for sponsoring today's video. If you like these hauls, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.